Hello again, my name is Pete and welcome to another online English lesson with Sunshine School. Today we're going to look at 4 different sounds. These are s, z, sh and zh. These can be a little bit tricky to distinguish, so if you're ready, let's get started. Our first pair of sounds today is s and z. For the s sound, we make a little smile and a sound like a snake. There is no vibration from my vocal cords, and we make the sound with our tongue at the roof of our mouth. S. Second, we have z. For this one, we make the same mouth shape, but we do use vibration from our vocal cords. So we end up sounding a bit like a bee. Z. Now let's look at some examples of each of these sounds. First, we'll look at the s sounds. City, bus, class, place, science, scream, glasses, concert, place, mix. Next, we'll look at the z sounds. Zoo, lazy, easy, size, wise, times, scissors, exact, nose, rise. Be careful with the words at the bottom of the screen. The pronunciation of these can change depending on the part of speech that we're using. For example, use as a noun, but use as a verb. House as a noun, and house as a verb. Close as an adjective, but close as a verb. Our second pair of sounds today is sh and zh. The first sound is the sound you will hear when your teacher needs you to be quiet. We make this shape with our mouth. Shh. Our tongue points towards the roof of our mouth and there is no vibration from our vocal cords. For the second sound, we make the same mouth shape, but we do have vibration from our vocal cords. Zh. Now let's look at some examples of the sh and zh sounds. First, the sh sounds. Shop, fashion, cash, fresh, mushroom, ocean, machine, delicious, special, sugar, sure, international. Next, we'll look at the zh sounds. Asia, usually, television, measure, vision, version, decision, luxury, pleasure, conclusion. Next, we'll look at the difference between these two sounds, the s and the sh sound. We already know that both of these sounds are voiceless, so the only difference is the shape of our mouth when we make them. Try to picture your teacher telling you to be quiet. Shh, so you can remember to push your lips forward to make the sh sound. Let's look at some comparisons between the s and the sh sounds. See if you can hear them. See, she, seat, sheet, sock, shock, boss, bosh, save, shave, sew, show, sofa, chauffeur, sort, short, saw, shore. Let's practice some tricky sentences. We shop for shoes and shirts. I wish she would not shout at us in English. The chef cooks fish in Washington. She sells seashells by the seashore. Be cautious when you swim in the ocean. Measure the beige door on the garage. I usually watch television at night. The treasure is on the fishing ship in the ocean near Asia. Let's see if we can listen and circle the odd one out. Number 1. Husband, easy, sister, boys. It's C, sister, with a S sound. Number 2. Class, nose, scream, concert. It's B, with a Z sound. Number 3. Usually, measure, pleasure, ocean. Did you hear the sh in ocean? It's D. Number 4. Sugar, sure, special, vision. It's the voiced zh in vision. It's D. Number 5. Science, boss, bush, base. It's the sh in bush. It's C. That is all from us today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and please join us for our next class. See you then.